Young Thug was in court today going through a lot. And a lot of people feel like he was looking like he ain't even want to beat up for real. When in reality, he was looking like he ain't want to beat up for real on bro. They had a person named D'Angelo come inside of court and he basically was talking how he didn't want to be there either. He didn't even want to testify inside the courtroom. Y'all let me know, was this wrong or was he right for this? Whatever they gonna do, they need to speed up the process because he already been in there for long. Just in case y'all didn't see the clip, I got the whole clip. I'ma roll it. And then at the end, I'm gonna put together a little video explaining everything that happened inside the courtroom today so y'all can see. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this. And if y'all mess with my videos, let me know in the comments. Drop some comments. I'm gonna be liking comments and following people back on Instagram. My Instagram is officialKS11. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this. Roll the clip.
I got forced to be here. I almost got tased by the police because I didn't want to go to court.
Mr. White, why are you so reluctant to come to court and speak about this?
What are you talking about? This is not my case. You really trying to beat something in my head. Like, this is not my case, man. Yeah, I can tell you, yeah, about my 10 years, be what I did, yeah. It got me here, yeah. I robbed some people, yeah, they got me here. They get my time, yeah. But at this time and moment, this is not my case, man. This is not my case.
Mr. White, in that car, Detective Dennis asked you if anybody in your car pulled out anything on this, and you said we had some guns and shit, and we didn't pull anything out, right?
How did we have some guns and shit if I left? I keep telling you, I left the sit-go. I ran because I had a firearm on me. First offender probation.
Now,
the police is going to show up at the store. Why would I be sitting right there with a firearm? So I could get locked up?
A month after Young Thug found himself embroiled in a sprawling RICO case, he made a plea from jail. "You know, this isn't about just me or YSL," he said in a pre-recorded address screened at Hot 97 Summer Jam in June 2022. "I always use my music as a form of artistic expression, and I see now that black artists and rappers don't have that freedom. Everybody please sign the Protect Black Art petition and keep praying for us. I love you all." The petition to protect black art was co-written by 300 Entertainment co-founder and CEO Kevin Liles, who first signed Thug and helped get his label, YSL, off the ground as a subsidiary company, and Atlanta Records' Julie Greenwald. The document asks both federal and state legislators to adopt bills that limit the use of rap lyrics as evidence in a court of law. The rapper's plea arrived on the heels of a sprawling 56-count RICO case against Thug, Gunna, and 26 members of the Young Stoner Life Collective. After 567 days in jail for Young Thug, opening arguments in the trial against him finally began on November 27, 2023. The trial will be live-streamed on YouTube via Law and Crime Network and 11 Alive News, a local Atlanta channel. The 88-page grand jury indictment characterizes YSL, Young Slime Life, as a criminal street gang and alleges 182 instances of the collective's participation in gang activity and criminal conspiracies, citing lyrics, social media posts, and clothing or accessories with SLIME emblazoned on them as evidence. A grand jury in Atlanta's Fulton County charged some individuals with violent crimes, including attempted armed robbery and murder. Not only has the case arrived under the specter of a 60% rise in violent crime in Atlanta, which Fulton County District Attorney Fannie Willis has promised to fight, but it has reverberated throughout the hip-hop community, in which many have argued that the trial is but the latest a little over 7 months after his arrest in May 2022. Gunna walked free on December 14, 2022, after both he and Young Thug had been denied bond multiple times. The rapper pleaded guilty to a charge of racketeering conspiracy in what is known as an Alford plea, a deal that allows him to plead guilty if it's in his interest while maintaining his innocence. Gunna's 5-year sentence was commuted to time served in 500 hours of community service as part of the deal. Days later, 7 more defendants took plea deals and were released from jail just ahead of the new year. As of November 2023, many of the original defendants had their cases separated from the trial, for did not have legal representation and had not been arrested by early January. Young Thug was one of 6 defendants set to stand trial, though there had been a possibility of Young Thug's release on bond. Judge Errol Glanville denied the rapper bond for a 3rd time in a hearing on July 21, 2023, citing the threat of witness intimidation, the threat of fleeing, and dangers to the community. The judge agreed to reconsider Yak Goddess bond that same day, but he was denied bond as well. In the months prior, Thug might have caught another case, Fulton County prosecutors alleged co-defendant Khalif Adams had attempted to hand the hot rapper a Percocet in open court on January 20, 2023. The Grammy-winning artist's lawyer denies Young Thug's involvement in the alleged drug deal. As the month came to a close, a YSL Mondo, a label co-founder, publicized his past relationship with the current district attorney Willis, who had served as his defense lawyer in a 2019 aggravated assault trial and helped keep him out of jail. Since the trial got underway with prosecutor Adrienne Love, quoting the Jungle Book in opening statements, "We've been compiling everything you need to know about the case as it develops. Here are all the updates, from the people involved to a summary of the charges and the cited lyrics." On April 8, 2024, jurors were shown harassing text messages an investigator allegedly sent to a witness, who was later jailed. Meg Hankunif reported. The witness, identified as A. Bennett, first took the stand last month, telling jurors she had allegedly been sexually harassed by investigator Rashid Hamilton from the Fulton County District Attorney's Office. In a text message dated February 7th, Hamilton wrote, "Hit me up if you're bored later. We're not gonna talk shop." Bennett testified that Hamilton had said he wanted to date her while they were discussing her potential testimony on the stand and had called her mama on more than one occasion. Bennett was summoned as a witness to a 2013 shooting at her apartment. The prosecution argued that Young Thug and his brother Walter D.K. Murphy were responsible for the shooting, which Bennett now claims was a random one outside her home. The accusation came as a surprise to those following the trial. The incident was not included in the sprawling indictment from 2022. On the stand on April 8, Bennett said she was thinking about the fact that the investigator wanted to date her. When she was considering whether to testify, she didn't have a chance to decide. Bennett was arrested on a material witness warrant to ensure her attendance at the trial. Wait, was an attorney arrested? Yes. On February 16, 2024, Fox 5 Atlanta reported that defense attorney Nicole Fagan had been arrested on gang-related charges tied to a different case. Police allege that